We are in Stirling. We are visiting Falcon manufacturing today. 200 years of manufacturing here, and we're just going to pop inside, have a look and see how the Falcon Dominator, the cookers, all the char grills and all the other products that they have such passion about is built. And there's about, I think, 150, 60 people work here, and it's one of our key products in the UK, and we love to sell their equipment. They love to make it, and you enjoy owning it. So let's go meet the team and let's have a look around the factory. Introduce you to Sean Holt, who is the product development chef here at Falcon, and it's been an amazing trip around the factory. We're just finishing off today with a quick presentation of products, and we really enjoyed our lunch, by the way, and Sean, it was amazing. Tell us about what's available here for the customer to come to the shop and have a look at, or what does Falcon offer to the customer?
Fantastic. So, as I mentioned earlier to you during the lunchtime, we operate on a bespoke basis almost. So, if the customer is from a certain restaurant form and they want to see certain equipment, they can ask for it, we'll make sure it's in here. So, the units we have in here, this is my cook line. I work on a day-to-day basis, but they migrate. So, if a customer wants to see another unit in here, we can briefly bring it in. I can move these ones out and we'll adapt it according to their needs.
So, the facility is up here for you to come up, work with Sean on product development, menu development and things like that, and basically have a go, look at cookie products here, and there's no better sort of endorsement than a chef speaking to another chef and having a go with the products. But thank you so much for your time today.
It's absolutely a pleasure. Thank you.
And hopefully you'll see all you guys up here and having a look at the equipment that's made in Scotland. So yeah, thank you very much.
Look forward to welcoming you back. Thank you.